think this is nature spectacularness. This team of ants has taken the carcass of a bug and it's now proceeding to drag it through all these rocks and all of this stuff, obviously to use it. Somehow a leaf has gotten entangled with the bug or with their work, but they are making it happen. Isn't that incredible? I think so.